When success is measured in microns and speed to market is critical, you need a partner that can deliver industry-leading precision and unmatched quality. Benchmark partners with you to deliver reliability when it matters most. This is precision without borders. We drive innovation in semiconductor capital equipment, medical technologies, aerospace and defense systems, and complex industrial solutions, all seamlessly integrated in a single global supply chain. As a strategic partner, your vision is amplified by our global capabilities. Benchmark's precision machining, utilizing cutting-edge 5-axis CNC systems, works in synergy with advanced metrology solutions. Every tool movement precisely calculated, every dimension validated in real time. This is how we achieve tolerances others find challenging and ensure your designs are built to the highest specifications through automated optical inspection, functional testing, helium leak checking, and residual gas analysis. Our diverse metal joining capabilities enables precision to merge with strength. Electron beam and laser technologies, combined with state-of-the-art robotic welding systems, ensures robust and durable weld bonds, from prototype to high-volume production. Innovation takes shape through expert fabrication and advanced forming. Our large format frame assembly capabilities, combined with cutting-edge laser technologies, transform raw material into precision-engineered components, each piece reflecting our commitment to excellence. Excellence that extends beyond every surface, every finish, every detail. Powder coating, Class A finishes, and automated chemical clean lines ensure consistency at every step. In our ISO 5, 6, and 7 certified clean rooms, we engineer, assemble, and manage complex electromechanical systems with relentless attention to detail. Through rigorous testing, precise validation, and seamless integration, we ensure every system performs at its best. This is where innovation becomes reality. When complexity demands excellence, we optimize designs for producibility and efficiency. By integrating holistic DFX practices and working closely with customer requirements, we transform challenges into solutions worldwide. As part of the global Benchmark network, we offer a one-partner, vertically integrated experience that includes design engineering and electronics manufacturing. Your vision, our precision, a partnership that delivers results. We are Benchmark Precision Technologies, here for you when it matters most.